Hello, folks, and welcome back to Google Doogle and Noordhoek in Cape Town. Yes, it's the beginning of winter, so we can expect some rain, but not today. Perfect weather, small surf, but nice. Look at the suburb. This is a neat and tidy, well kept fynbos part of the country. Yeah, Cape Town is very proud of its proteas and ericas, and there's some milkwood trees down below us there. Beautiful. Now come and have a look at the boardwalk down there. Let's go and have a look. Chapman's Peak boardwalk below us here is a lovely place to take the dog for a walk, or if you happen to be a surfer, pop down to the hook straight ahead of us there. Lovely tube ride, wave, if you're into that sort of thing. And then further up the road, at least along the beach there, about 3 or 4 kilometers towards Kakapo, is Dunes Beach, where you can catch the ultimate surf. Really amazing barrel rides and stuff. Have a look at that, isn't that peaceful? I do want to be there. That's the hook straight ahead that I was telling you about. And out there beyond Chapman's Peak is Kabonkelberg, otherwise known as Hout Bay Mountain. Now we go back towards the boardwalk and have a look at it from the other side. Now we're heading towards Constantiaberg Mountain in the background there. Fishhook to the right. Fantastic mountainous area. Really just a dream spot to come and have a look as a visitor, as a tourist, as a local, just to come and relax.